Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your browser cache in Google Chrome. If you are new to Mr. TechFox, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Alright, let's get started. Open the Chrome browser and then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Now scroll down and click on Settings. In the settings page, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Next, click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can see a pop-up window is appearing. Here, under the Basic tab, make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. You can also check cookies and other site data if you want to clear those as well. Set the time range to all time for a full cache clear. Finally, click Clear Data. And that's it. Chrome will clear the cache for you. Your browser cache is now cleared. If you found this helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tutorials. See you next time.